pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. In this video, I am going to unbox Fab Fit Fun Spring 2021. And I have to say, I wasn't really excited when I saw the choices, but I'm hoping that seeing things in person and feeling the products will take care of that feeling when I chose products. Okay. Ooh. Alright. I think this is an add-on. And it's weird because they didn't charge me for it, so I didn't think I was going to get it. You know, you can look online, see if you have starter boxes, other things. And, okay, here is my box. And I got a bigger box with this other thing in it, and I believe that it is the LED indoor planter, and they gave me basil Italian large leaf seeds. So this should be neat. This is the thing here. I don't know exactly what the price is. I'll put it on the screen for you. I know it was pretty expensive though, and it makes it so you can have your plants indoors, like your garden, your seeds, your stuff for your, what is it, spices. Okay, so here it is here. I would have to set this up, and I will do that. And I'll probably include a clip maybe in this video, but I will set that up. So this was an add-on that they did not charge me for, which is kind of cool. All right, but now, all right, so let's get into this box. Let's see what's in here. I did get to choose quite a few things. I forget how many. I know that this is a quarterly subscription, and it's $49.95 quarterly. I signed up annually, and I think I got $10 off my very first box, which was an editor box. So we're going to see if Fab Fit Fun is worth it for spring. What do you guys think? Grow Forth, it says. It comes with a magazine that tells you prices and all that fun stuff. And I'm going to put that on the screen for you. But let me see. What do we have? Oh, I got stickers. Yay. I hope this is not one of the items. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's see what we got. What else do we have? I always get that HelloFresh thing. I'm kind of tempted to try it. What else is this? This is just information about these products. Okay, so I do see some of the things that I chose, and one of the first things is that I don't know how to pronounce this name, but this here is Exercise, the Ultimate Core Toning Kit, and it comes with a ball you blow up, and it looks like you target and tone the core, build strength, burn calories, increase flexibility. This can make me more flexible. I'm all for it. All right, so I'm going to have to try this out and see if it works. I'm kind of excited to do this. I think this was a $50 value. Okay, this I was not too happy about. It was a choice. Sun's Out, Pouts Out, infused with Cica and honeysuckle flower extract. 4 pieces of gold foil lip masks. I don't know how you use a lip mask. Position the mask on the lips. Soothe, nourish, kissable, soften. Okay. Do you think it works?
It smells good. I'm tasting it.
I've never tried a lip mask before. Oh my goodness, here is the huge nail polish I was not excited to get. Be your incredible self with nails. .ink, and it says London underneath. Yeah, Mayfair Lane. This is super light, but it's a springy color. I mean, I'm definitely going to try it. I'm getting it, so why not? Oh my gosh, there's got to be more in here, right? Like, this can't be everything. All right, Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. This is a serum, and I do like serums. They actually are nice and cooling if they come out of the skincare fridge, and I'll tell you what, you know, so I will definitely be trying this out. Brightening. I would absolutely love it if it made my skin bright and glowy. Especially get ready for spring. It's springtime, guys. I'm so excited about that. I cannot stand the cold weather. And these coasters, like, all right, let's see here. Because, I mean, some of these things, I was like, coasters, they were like $30, $35, something like that. And I'm like I'm all for the exercise stuff, you know, and the watch, I think, was another thing, which looked pretty cool. These things here, I mean, if depending upon the company, like coasters, if, let's say, Louis Vuitton made coasters, obviously they would be very expensive because of the way that they're made. But who really wants, like, a Louis Vuitton coaster? Does it really matter? Like, I can go to Kmart and get, or the dollar store, and these are not even, like, they're hand woven. Okay, I understand that might make them more of an expensive kind of coaster, but to be honest with you, they're not even all the same. So yeah, I mean, I get why they have a value of what they do, but at the same time, you know, I mean, they're not even all the same. And I mean, we could, a springy item, I guess. I mean, if you were sitting outside right now on a patio, you put these out and had a glass of lemonade, it might look enticing to me. I mean, but overall, could I have cared less? I mean, I would have preferred something else. But anyhow, all right, so I don't know why I have bubble wrap. There's nothing in it. It looks like there's only 3 more items in here. This is like the smallest box I've gotten, and like the value, I think, is supposed to be around $315, but I don't know. All right, so let's look at the next item. I think this is the watch, and I was excited to pick that. I do like watches and jewelry and different things, but I think this had a value of about $105, something like that. It's a Monroe watch, and the style is Monroe. Monroe by, I can't read that. I'll put it on the screen. Genuine leather, water resistant. Okay. I mean, I don't really wear watches, but it would be a nice gift to someone, and I don't know if it's going to focus on this, so I may put the picture on the screen. This leather is pretty hard, so you'd have to break it in, but overall, I mean, this is probably not going to fit everyone either. That's the other thing. I mean, what are you going to do if you don't get a watch that fits you? Like, I guess you could give it to somebody, you know, as a gift or whatever, but I would not be happy if somebody sent me something I couldn't use. So, and for the amount of money that you do pay for these items, you would expect better knocks, I think. But I would really like your thoughts. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the hair scarf. Like, this is another thing. Like, I think of summer, I think of beach waves and all kinds of things with the hair, you know, and curls. But apparently that's not what they're thinking about here. These cover your head. Okay, let's see. 5 stylish ways to rock our scarves. I mean, I guess this could be cute. And they're satin, which is pretty. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, but how do I... use this. I mean, seriously, this reminds me of my mom going into Grand Union when we were younger with curlers on her head and hiding it with one of these. I just don't think this would work for me. And this is not going to fit everyone's head. I don't see that happening. You could twirl it and kind of, you know, I don't know. I just don't see it happening. I don't see me using a scarf. But they look nice. I may find someone that can use them. But again, this is something that I won't use. And as a set of 2 scarves, they come in this little pouch right here. They are Lancome Ives brand. I'll put the price on the screen. And then I think I've got one item left. And it is the famous, yes, you guessed it, is dental floss. Yes, I use Reach. That is the dental floss I usually use. It's 97 cents at Walmart. And this here is supposed to be like a really, I don't know, cocoa floss. It's supposed to be a really high-end. I mean, who wants a high-end dental floss? Again, if Louis Vuitton made dental floss, I'd have some concerns, you know? These are cute, though. I mean, they have little cases. I think there's a $28 value. Cases, they have 1 case, and then they've got 3 things of dental floss here. And they have flavors. Cocoa orange. I don't know what this one is. Strawberry. And the one that's in here, I'm not sure what it is. What does it say? Relax and floss. 2 weeks. Floss party. 60 days, 30 days. Oh, so this is, okay. I'll give you a time frame on, I guess. It's weird. I don't know. So, I guess I could try this out and we'll see. But again, $28 for dental floss. I mean, it's just not something that, and it's really thick. Like, I don't even see this working with my teeth. I can't believe how thick it is. That's crazy. That's the last item. Wow. Yeah, look how thick this dental floss is. I don't know. I don't even know if it smells good, but it's going to go in between my teeth. But we'll find out. We'll see. All right, so the dental floss was an item. The set of 4 coasters was another item. The 2 hair scarves was another item. Then the nail polish, the watch, the lip masks, and the cord. And this is the thing I'm most excited about. Plus, you got facial. Alright guys, so what do you think of the spring Fab Fit Fun box? I'm going to try to use some of these items and incorporate the videos in here for you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything, put it in the comments below. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. Guys, I've missed you. I'm trying to get back in a schedule to where I upload regularly and talk to you guys, so hopefully I'll be able to do that soon, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye! You need to be filled with hot air for this one.